In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add a space between sections in Elementor. To do so, all you need to do is move to the page editor window. I'm already in the page editor, but if you need help editing a page with Elementor, then we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link it in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. Now, you can see the sections added here need some space between them. To do so, you can search for the spacer element here. Simply drag and drop the spacer element here like this. You can see the space has been added here between two sections. You can increase or decrease the space as per your need. So, this is how easy it is to add space between sections in Elementor. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.